our delicious yogurt cake. Here is all we need. Of course, we have 1 cup of vegetable oil. We have our vanilla extracts. So we are supposed to use 1 cup, but I always like to adjust. Yeah, 1 cup of brown sugar. So we have 6 eggs, 6 medium eggs, and we have 2 cups of Greek yogurt, but you can use any yogurt of your choice. So we have salt. We are going to be needing a pinch of salt, and we have 3 cups of flour here. So I also have my mixing bowl, and we are going to be needing this for our eggs. And not forgetting 1 sachet of baking soda. I like to start with the eggs. As soon as I whisk my egg, I'll just preheat my oven. Oven is on now. So guys, it's time to mix everything together. I'll start by adding my yogurt. Our sugar, our vegetable oil. At this stage, add everything liquid. 1 and 2. That's vanilla. Just start whisking everything together. So I'll go ahead and add in the egg. It's time to add our dried ingredients. So guys, after adding all the ingredients, I'm just going to mix with a mixer very fast. This is what it's looking like. This cake and hot cake. They will not wait for the cake to get good.
We are too busy.